Hi guys, welcome to today's section of Learning with PrepClass. I am Usman Nuruddin, a PrepClass tutor. Today, I'm going to be guiding you on how to solve questions from AKWA JSCE Mathematics Past Question. In this video, we are going to be solving question 86 to 90. I hope you've seen our previous videos on how we solve questions from AKWA JSCE Mathematics Past Question for the year 2020. So guys, check through our channel and see each videos and how each questions were solved. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get access to all our videos, and kindly turn on the notification so as to get notified whenever we put up a video on our channel. So we're going to start today's work by solving question number 86 to 90. Question number 86. The table below shows the record of cases of death in an hospital. What is the percentage of people that died of HIV/AIDS? Now we have the options. A, 47.62%, B, 40.83%, C, 32.43%, D, 28.57%. Now here is the table. We have causes of death and the number of death. Now for the cause of death, malaria, there are 200 people who died of malaria. Accident, 50 people died of accident. HIV and AIDS, 120 people died of HIV and AIDS. Heart disease, 30 people died of heart disease. Coronavirus, 20 people died of coronavirus. Now we need to find the percentage of people that died of HIV and AIDS. Now from the table, the number of people that died of HIV and AIDS, we have 120. So that is it here. Total number of deaths, that is how many people died altogether. So we have to add up these numbers. So 200 plus 50, that is 250. Plus 120, that is 370. Plus 30, that is 400. And plus 20, that is 420. Now to calculate the percentage, we are going to say the number of people that died of HIV and AIDS divided by the total number of deaths. So that's why we have 120 divided by 420 multiplied by 100%. Now when we divide, 0 can cancel 0 here. 6 in 12, that is 2. 6 in 42, 6 in 42, that is 7. So we have 2 over 7 times 100. So that is 2 times 100 over 7. So we have 2 times 100 over 7. Now 2 times 100, that is 200. Then divided by 7. So when we divide 200 by 7, we are going to get 28.57. So that means that the percentage number of people that died of HIV and AIDS is 28.57%. Looking at the options, the correct option is 28.57%. Now that's how easy to solve such a question. Now let's move to the next question. Question number 87. The line that divides a circle into two equal parts is called dash. A, radius, B, diameter, C, sector, D, section. Now to solve this question, let's define each term in the options. Radius. A radius is a line segment extending from the center of a circle to the circumference. From the definition, radius is not the answer. The next definition, diameter. A diameter of a circle is any straight line segment that passes through the center of the circle and whose endpoint lie on the circle. Now because a diameter is a line passing through the center of a circle, so this means because it is passing through the center, it is obviously going to divide the circle into two equal halves. So therefore our right answer is diameter. But before we pick the right answer, let's check other definitions. Sector. A sector is said to be a part of a circle made of the arc of the circle along with its two radii. So that is the definition of a sector, and that is not the answer. Section. A section is a distinct part or subdivision of anything. So from these definitions, we can agree that the right answer is diameter, and the correct option is option B, diameter. The next question, question number 88. Question number 88. Solve the equation 4 into bracket 5g minus 1 close bracket equals 16 plus 5g. A, minus 3 over 4. B, 3 over 4. C, 1 whole number 1 over 3. D, 2 whole number 1 over 3. Now this is a question on simple algebraic equation. So we have to solve the equation. From the question, we have solved the equation 4 into bracket 5g minus 1 close bracket equals 16 plus 5g. The first thing to do is to expand this bracket. So we use this number outside the bracket to expand. So 4 multiplied by 5g, we have 20g. 4 times minus 1, that will give us minus 4, which equals 16 plus 5g. Now the next thing is to collect like terms. Now we collect like terms by bringing together common values. That is 20g will come together with 5g. So we have 20g plus 5g will move from the right hand side to the left hand side, and it change from positive to negative. So we have minus 5g equals 16. We have 16. Minus 4 is on the left hand side. It will move from the left hand side to the right hand side, and the sign will change from negative to positive. So we have plus 4. Now this is giving us 20g minus 5g equals 16 plus 4. Now 20g minus 5g will give us 15g equals 20. Now to get the value of g, we have to divide both sides by 15. So we have divide both sides by 15. Now 15g over 15 equals 20 over 15. Now 15 cancels 15 here, and we are left with g. So we have from here, 5 can go in 20 to give us 4. 5 in 15 is giving us 3. So now we have g equals 4 over 3. And 4 over 3 is the same as saying, how many 3 can we say in 4? Which is giving us 1. Then the remainder is 1, so we have 1 over 3. So this is giving us that the value of g equals one whole number, 1 over 3. And the correct option is option C, one whole number, 1 over 3. Now we move to the next question, question 89. The following are acute angles except A, 120 degree, B, 60 degree, C, 44 degree, D, 30 degree. Now to answer this question, you must know what an acute angle means. So what is an acute angle? An acute angle is an angle less than 90 degree. So it means any angle that is less than 90 degree is an acute angle. So an angle greater than 90 degree is not an acute angle. So from the option, the correct answer is option A, 120 degree, which is greater than 90 degree. So therefore, 120 degree is not an acute angle. Now we move to the last question for this video. I hope you're following and you're enjoying this video. Please put down your comment in the comment section so we can communicate with you. Question number 90. Find the value of x in the diagram below. A, 3 cm, B, 4 cm, C, 5 cm, D, 12 cm. Now the diagram here is a right angled triangle. We are going to solve this following Pythagoras theorem. So using Pythagoras theorem, from Pythagoras theorem we have hypotenuse square equals opposite square plus adjacent square. Now looking at the diagram, hypotenuse is the longest side, so that means hypotenuse is 5 cm. Opposite is the side facing an angle, and the side facing the angle here is x, so opposite is x. Adjacent 4 cm, which is the last part. Now we have 5 square equals x square plus 4 square. 5 square is giving us 25 equals x square plus 4 square is giving us 16. Now we collect like terms. 25 and 16 will come together, so we have 25 plus 16 is on the right hand side. It will move to the left hand side to change to minus 16, which is equals to x squared. Now what is 25 minus 16? That is 9. So we have 9 equals x squared. So this same thing as saying x squared equals 9. So therefore x equals square root of 9, which is giving us 3. So therefore the value of x is 3 centimeters. So I hope you get how we are able to solve that question. Remember, to solve this question, we introduced Pythagoras theorem. And Pythagoras theorem states that hypotenuse square equals opposite square plus adjacent square. Now we have the value for x to be 3 centimeters. And the correct option is option A, 3 centimeters. So guys, this brings us to the end of today's section. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm sure you've learned something new today. You can join us on WhatsApp to have easy interaction with all our tutors. Also, you can bring down your question to our WhatsApp platform, and we will be ready to attend to you. So, we'll see again in the next video. Bye for now.